Imagine a revolution in your DIY and renovation projects where every brush stroke, every color mix, and every aesthetic finish are no longer arduous tasks, but moments of pure, fluid, and effortless creation. Here is the Glority Paint Sprayer, a tool designed to transform your spaces and objects with precision, efficiency, and unmatched ease of use. With this device in hand, get ready to repaint the world in Glority Blue, a shade of innovation and performance. If you're interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about these unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours right away. This paint sprayer is ideal for passionate DIYers and professionals looking for an effective, precise, and easy-to-use solution for all their interior and exterior painting projects. Its versatility and ease of use make it the perfect choice for transforming furniture, walls, and decorative objects with a professional finish. At the heart of this revolution is a 700-watt motor, providing high power for quick and even paint application. You might think that using such a tool requires the expertise of a professional painter, but think again. The Glority PSA is a companion for everyone, from beginners to seasoned DIYers, offering remarkable ease of use without requiring any tools for assembly. Imagine being able to start your project immediately, armed only with your creativity and your desire to transform. And that's not all. The Glority shines with its versatility. 4 copper nozzles of varying diameters, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm, are ready to adapt to the diversity of your projects, from delicate furniture to large exterior walls. Each nozzle is a promise of precision, ensuring that every nook and cranny, every detail of your project will be covered with the same attention and care. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of extremely satisfied customer reviews. The customization doesn't stop there. 3 spray modes, horizontal, vertical, and circular, allow you to paint with complete adaptability. Whether you are renovating a garden chair, redecorating the walls of your living room, or bringing new life to an old table, the Glority Blue meets all your needs, ensuring perfect and even coverage regardless of the surface. The main innovation of Glority Blue lies in its unique blowing and cleaning functions even before the paint touches the surface. A dust seal eliminates any unwanted particles, ensuring a smooth and flawless finish. After painting, a simple connection to the tap is enough to clean the device, removing paint residues and preventing clogs. This ensures that the tool is always ready to use, durable and reliable. The 1200 ml reservoir of the Glority is another major advantage, meaning less refilling and more paint. Coupled with a smooth flow rate of 1000 millimeters per minute, it offers you unmatched efficiency, allowing you to complete your projects faster and with less effort. The adjustable flow control gives you the power to adjust the amount of paint according to your needs, thus avoiding waste and ensuring precise application. Easy to assemble, use, and clean, the Glority is more than just a tool. It is a partner in your quest for beauty and efficiency, a companion that simplifies every step of the painting process. Its lightweight design and ergonomic handle ensure comfort during use, even for the longest projects, while its double-layer insulation promises safety and durability. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to order it at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. The number 1 advantage is versatility. Thanks to its 4 copper nozzles and 3 spray modes, the Glority Blue adapts to a wide range of painting projects. Advantage number 2, ease of cleaning. The unique blowing and cleaning functions simplify the maintenance of the device, extending its durability. Advantage number 3, adjustable flow control, allows for precise adjustment of the paint flow, optimizing application, and reducing waste. Advantage number 4, large tank capacity. The 1200 ml tank minimizes frequent refills, improving work efficiency. Advantage number 5, easy to use, designed for intuitive use, even for beginners, without requiring special tools for assembly. Now let's move on to a few drawbacks. Drawback number 1, dependence on a power source. Being powered by an electric cable, its mobility may be limited by the length of the cable, or the need to have a nearby electricity source. The Glority Paint Sprayer is a symbol of modernity in the field of painting and renovation. It does not just paint, it transforms, it renovates, it revitalizes. Every project becomes a canvas, every surface, an opportunity for expression. With Glority, paint your life in vibrant colors, subtle shades, and rich textures. Paint your world with precision, with passion, with Glority. For those who are ready to embrace this revolution and bring a professional touch to their painting project, the time has come. Don't miss this opportunity and click on the link in the description to order your Glority paint sprayer at the best price. Learn more about this revolutionary tool and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Transform your world with Glority. Your painting project is waiting for you. Thank you for your attention, and I hope to see you very soon.